What's up everyone? It's me, your Solitary John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries. Mega love shoutout mga ka-blooms! We are back for video reaction para sa kanilang performance in Summer Sonic sa Osaka 2026. At ito nga, the girls bring the island fever of Pantropico sa Summer Sonic. At talagang summer na summer ang dating. Excited tayo for this one, guys. Ano kaya yung mix ng kanta, kagaya kaya ng Coachella? So that's where we're going to check out for today. Thank you so much for requesting this. And of course, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Hey! Ay, oo, parang sa Coachella nga. Ganda na outfit nila, no? Eh, nireactan natin yung step back performance din nila. Ang galing nila dun. Eh, ganda ni Colette, oh. Eh! Oh my gosh! Eh, go, Stacy! Alam niyo, nagiging bias ko na si Stacy. Bagay na bagay sa kanyang bagay ng hair. Hey, summer vibe! Hey, Mika! Live vocals, no? Hey! So good. Hey! Japan! Hey! Go, Colette! Grabe yung raw vocals ng girls. Hey! Ay, naka-Pantropico outfit din ako today. Diba? The summer vibe has arrived and Summer Sonic. Bagay na bagay yung kanta, guys. And the outfit, I love their outfit talaga. And of course, naka-Pantropico din pala tayo for today's video. Nakita naman yung charin. Go, Gwen! Our expensive Gwen. Grabe talaga. Hey! Ay, may pabuhat ang Aya. Wow! Grabe, sexy. Ganda talaga ng hair ni Stacy. Osaka, eh! Oh, grabe yung low tone na yun, ah. Grabe yung low tone ni Colette. Whoa, listen to that. Hey. Grabe si Joanna. Ay, walang pa breakdance. Ay, eto. There you have it, guys. That is Beanie performing Pantropico in Summer Sonic 2026. Nabitin ako. Parang may breakdance pa dapat yun, guys, no? But, of course, yun lang yung nasa recording. So, thank you so much po for watching. And I hope that you enjoy watching our reaction for today. And, of course, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.